Life is hard. Surround yourself with people who feel like home. Life is already difficult, so choose peace and protect your energy. Welcome to the Change for the Better. Ito ang channel na magpapaalala sa'yo ng tunay na success sa buhay. Ang buhay, mahirap na nga eh. May problema sa pera, pamilya, sarili, at mga pangarap na parang laging delayed. Kaya tanong ko, bakit mo papapahirapan ang sarili mo? Life is already hard. Don't make it harder for yourself and others. Bakit mo pa isasama ang mga taong toxic? Yung laging galit, laging nagdududa, laging pinapabigat ang pakiramdam mo? You deserve peace. You deserve calm. You deserve people who feel like home. Part 1. Choose peace instead of chaos. Peace should be your priority. Not drama, not chaos. Minsan, hindi mo namamalayan yung stress mo. Hindi dahil sa sitwasyon, kundi sa mga taong kasama mo. Lagi kang napapagod kasi palaging may conflict. Lagi kang nag-a-adjust kasi laging may kasamang energy vampire. Lagi kang emotionally drained. Ang solusyon? Protect your peace. Hindi selfish yan. It's survival. You can't heal in the same place that breaks you every day. Part 2. People who feel like home. Find people who bring calm, not chaos. Sino ang kasama mo na hindi mo kailangang magsalita para maintindihan ka? Yung tahimik lang kayo pero ramdam mo, safe ka. Those are the people who feel like home. Hindi sila perfect, pero hindi ka nila sinasaktan. Hindi sila laging tama, pero hindi ka nila tinatapakan. Hindi laging masaya, pero laging totoo. Be with people who bring comfort, clarity, and compassion. That's the kind of energy you need. And that's the kind of energy you should also give. Part 3. Be the peace you seek. The peace you want from others, be that for them too. Ang tanong, ikaw ba? Ano kung energy ang dinadala mo sa mga tao? Peaceful ka ba o palaging galit? Nakakagaan ka ba ng loob o pabigat? Nakakabuhay ka ba ng loob o ikaw yung dahilan ng silence ng iba? Kung gusto mong makasama ang mga taong parang tahanan, ikaw rin, maging tahanan. Learn to listen. Learn to give space. Learn to be gentle with other people's wounds. Part 4. Detach from what drains you. Distance is also love for yourself. Hindi mo kailangang makipag-away para lumayo. Hindi mo kailangang siraan para umalis. Minsan, sapat na ang distansya para maprotektahan ang kapayapaan mo. Sapat na ang tahimik na pagbitaw para hindi mo na ulit maramdaman ang bigat na yon. You can love people from afar, but never sacrifice your mental peace for constant pain. Remember, you are not required to stay where you are constantly drained. Life is already hard. Choose comfort, calm, and kind energy. Hindi madali ang buhay, pero kaya mo itong gawing mas magaan sa piliin mong kasama at sa enerhiyang ibinibigay mo. Be with people who feel like home. Be the kind of person others can rest in. Be the kind of peace you've always prayed for. Because at the end of the day, life is already hard. Don't make it harder. Choose peace. Choose people who feel like home. Please like and comment at the comment section. I choose peace and people who feel like home. Subscribe and share this video for more Tagalog motivation, healing, and inner peace content.